Good evening, everybody. Today I am going to teach you syllabication. So, what is a syllable? The syllable is a unit of a word. It can also be called as a unit of pronunciation. It consists of either a vowel sound alone or a vowel and one or more consonants. The number vowels in a word will be a number of syllables of a word. Syllabication. System of dividing a word into appropriate number of syllables. Okay. Now, how to teach kids at home. Rules for syllabication. How to count syllable. How to break word into syllable. Now, syllable is a combination of alphabets which makes dominant vowel sound. Parts in which the word is broken for pronunciation is called a syllable. For example, entertainment. Okay. Humble, monkey, duration, examination, enjoy, weather, season, beautiful. So, now listen here. Now how to count syllable? Now listen here. Humble. In this word it has two syllable. Hum plus bull. Humble. Okay. Season. See sun. Okay, season. It has two syllables. Monkey. In this word it has two syllable. Monkey. Entertainment. Entertainment. In this word it has 1, 2, 3, 4 syllables. Okay. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, in this word it has 3 syllable. Okay, then duration. Okay, in this word it has 3 syllable. Okay, now I am going to tell about how to count syllable. Okay, number of syllable depends upon the number of vowel sounds in a word. Okay, now there are 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. Okay, so here A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are called vowels. Okay, then consonants. The rest of the remaining letters are called consonants. Okay. Then how to count syllable rules. Now check number of vowels in a word. In this word, magic. Okay, magic. M consonants, A vowel, G consonants, I vowel, C consonants. In this word, it has 2 vowels. Okay, so A and I. Okay, in this word it has 2 vowels. Okay, then together check if 2 vowels are together, then consider 1 vowel sound for 2 vowels. Okay, now example, dream, die, cries, hear, shout, boat. Okay, so the rule number first one, check number of vowels in a word. Okay, now listen here. DREAM. In this word, D consonants, R consonants, E and A, these 2 letters are vowels are together. So if 2 vowels are together, we have to consider only 1 vowel sound. Okay, then M also consonants. Then die, D-I-E, die. In this word, D consonants, I and E vowels. So 2 vowels are together. We have to consider only 1 vowel sound. Cries, C-R-I-E-S, cries. So in this word, I and E, these 2 vowels are together. So we have to consider only 1 vowel sound. Hear, Y-E-A-R. In this word, E and A, 2 vowels are together. We have to consider only 1 vowel sound. Shout, S-H-O-U-T, shout. So in this word, O and U, these 2 vowels are together. So we have to consider only 1 vowel sound. Okay, then boat, B-O-A-T, boat. O and A, these two vowels are together, so we have to consider only one vowel sound. Okay, then this is rule number 2. Then rule number 3, I am going to teach you. E at the end silence. Okay, if the word ending in E, then E will be silence. Okay, then don't consider vowel E sound if E is at the end of the word. Example, file, child, inside, please, tame, name, decide. Okay, file, F-I-L-E, file. E at the last. Okay, silence. Okay, vowel E sound if E is at the end of the word. Okay, E at the silence. At the last E silence. T-I-L-E. Okay, then inside. In this word E silence. File, child, inside. Okay, E silence at the last. Okay, children. Then now listen here. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Okay, in this word E and A, two vowels are together. We have to consider only one vowel sound. At the last E is there. E at the last silence. Okay, please. Okay, then count the number of vowel sounds. If one vowel sound in a word, then it is monosyllable. Okay, for example, dog, cat, rat, cap, tie, man, best, stop, smile, dance, nail. Okay, in this word we cannot divide it into 2 parts or 3 parts. So if the vowel sound in a word, then it is monosyllable. Count the number of vowel sounds. If one vowel sound in a word, okay, so in this word D, O, G, D consonants, O vowel, G consonants. So if one vowel sound in a word, then it is monosyllable. C-A-T, cat. So C and T, both letters are consonants. So in the middle of the letter, A is a vowel sound. So we cannot divide it into one part, two part. Okay, so this is also monosyllable. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Okay, so in this word A is a vowel. Okay, so that is monosyllable. We cannot divide it into one or two syllable. Okay, cap also we cannot divide. So if only one vowel sound in a word, then it is monosyllable. Okay, these are also the same thing. Okay, then if more than one vowel sound in a word, then it is multisyllable. Okay, for example, corner. Okay, C-O-R-N-E-R, R. Okay, so corner. Okay, R also silence in this word. Yesterday, Y-E-S-T-R-D-A-Y. So in this word, if more than one vowel sound in a word, then it is multisyllable. So in this word it has 2 syllable. Yesterday also 3 syllables. Okay, so these are also called multisyllable. Okay, if more than one vowel sound in a word, then it is multisyllable. Then Monday also it has 2 syllables, so that is also multisyllable. Order, 2 syllables. Then element, 2 syllable. Traffic, 2 syllables. Tomorrow, 3 syllables. Then cutter, 2 syllable. So If more than one vowel sound in a word, then it is multi-syllable. Okay, then corner, corner. Okay, wa. So count the number of syllable. Okay, wa. Corner. C consonants, O vowel, or consonants. So N-E-R. Okay, wa. Corner. Okay, every word has one vowel. Okay, wa. Yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. One syllable, two syllable, three syllables. For each syllable has one vowel is there. Okay, wa. T-E-R-D-A-Y. Okay, in this word it has yesterday. In this word it has three syllables. Okay, children. How to break word into syllable? Syllable division. Okay, now listen here. Divide or break two middle consonants. Okay, if two consonants are there between the vowels, then break two consonants. Okay, for example, sudden, happen, yellow, matter, gasket, water, computer. Sudden. So what they are saying, divide or break two middle consonants. In this word SUDDEN, so two consonants are together, so we have to divide it into two parts. Okay, ma'am. Divide or break two middle consonants. So D and D, these two letters are consonants. We have to divide it into two parts in this word. Okay, if two consonants are there in between the vowels, then break two consonants. Okay, now listen here. Then happen. So the same thing, HAPPEN. So P and P, these two letters are consonants, so we have to divide it into two parts in this word. Yellow also, L and L, these two consonants are together, so we have to divide it into two parts. Then matter, MATTER, two consonants are together, so we have to divide it into two parts. Okay, then gasket, matter, computer, the same things. Okay, wa. Then remember consonants expectations. Okay, wa. Cannot divide it this consonants. CH, PH, TH, SH, WH, break before. Okay, wa. CH, PH, TH, SH, WH. Now listen here. Example, purchase, elephant, mother, father, feather, cashew. Okay, purchase. Okay, elephant, mother, then SH, CH, PH, WH, TH. Okay, wa. Then father, feather, mother, purchase. Okay, then cashew. Now listen here. Divide before one middle consonants. If there is only one consonant in the middle, then break before the consonants. Example, today, 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 tonight, tonight, devil, return. Now listen here. Divide before one middle consonants. Okay, wa. One middle consonants. So D is a consonant. So divide before one middle consonants. If there is only one consonant in the middle, then break before the consonants. Okay, wa. So here TODAY, this is also middle consonant, so we have to divide it into two parts. Okay, wa. Then middle consonants N is there, so we have to divide it into two parts. Tonight, devil. So V is a consonants. So middle consonants we have to divide it into two parts. So written also. T also consonants. R E T middle consonants we have to divide it into two parts. Return, return. Then LE holds the alphabet placed before LE alphabet, and LE forms one syllable. So divide or break before the alphabet when LE is there in a word. For example, humble, trouble, gamble, settle, handle, little, brittle. Okay, va? In this word humble, LE is not stand alone. So we have to humble, humble. Okay, LE is not stand alone. So humble. Okay, va? LE is not alone. Trouble, gamble, settle, handle, little, brittle. Okay, va? So LE is not alone. Okay, now separate two small meaningful words which was vowel sounds. Okay, va? In a word. For example, keyword, keyboard, snowman, moonlight, milkman. Key plus word, keyword. Key plus board, keyboard. Snow plus man, snowman. Moon plus light, moonlight. So separate two small meaningful words which has vowel sound in a word. Okay. So in this word, K consonants, E vowel, Y consonants. So this is also separate two small meaningful words. Then WORD word. So W consonants, O vowel, R consonants, D consonants. So this is also key plus word, keyword. Okay, children. Then prefix and suffix are separate syllable. Okay, va? Prefix and free. Okay, va? Now listen here. Unaware, prepared, redale, unknown, prepare, rewrite, unwell, premature, rewind. Okay, va? So this is also prefix. Okay, va? Suffix, less, full, here, helpless, shameless, aimless, careful, farmer, shameful, shopper, helpful, dreamer. Now listen here. Hopeless, careful, shameless, aimless. Okay, va? Now listen here. Listen here, children. Now I want to show you how to count the syllables. Okay, va? Now listen here. In this sentence, so many words are there. So I will show you only few words. I am going to teach you. Listen very carefully, children. Now a syllable is a unit of word. It can also be called as a unit of pronunciation. It consists of either a vowel sound alone or a vowel and one or more consonants. The number of vowels in a word will be the number of syllables of the word. Okay, va? Now listen. President. Okay, va? In this word, how many kinds of syllables are there? Precedent. Okay, va? So in this word it has three syllables. So three syllables. Now what is the name of the syllable? Trisyllable. If three syllables are there, now it is called a trisyllable. Institution. Institution. Okay, va? It has four syllables. So if four syllables are there, so what we can say? Tetrasyllable. Okay, now listen here. Argumentative. Argumentative. So in this word 5 syllables are there. So if 5 syllables are there, so what is the name of the syllable? Polysyllable. Okay, then advantage. Advantage. In this word it has 3 syllables. If 3 syllables are there, it is called a trisyllable. Okay, then particular. Particular. So in this word it has 4 syllables, that is called tetrasyllable. Then next, alternation. Alternation. Okay, in this word it has 5 syllables. So if 5 syllables are there, now it is called polysyllable. Okay, va? Dramatic. Dramatic. Okay, so in this word it has 3 syllables, so it is called a trisyllable. Okay, va? So many examples I want to show you. You can read and write. Okay, children, I hope you have understood it nicely. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.